Okay, I'm going to show you a very easy way to record your full screen webcam and your screen share of whatever is on your screen at the same time so you can do videos where you show your full face like I'm doing right now. But you can also share your screen and show the little thumbnail in the corner. Now, the biggest thing you need to do is record in high quality both your webcam and your screen at the same time. So in Podsplice, we can do that in an easy way in the browser, but you can also do it in things like OBS, and you have to record a different camera and make a different scene and a bunch of things. But we're talking about Podsplice here, so let's go over to the settings just to show you how to do it. So first of all, I opened another thing. So if you just or another instance. So I'm not actually going to record this. I just want to show you where the settings are. You first go to overdub, and then go to settings, and you'll see your microphone, your camera, your resolution. So get your camera, but for the thumbnail resolution, if you want to show yourself in full screen, you're going to want to bump that up. And you can choose things like low, medium, full, and even go up to 4K to have a really high quality. If you want to talk in an intro before you do a screen share, but you need it recorded in high quality, and that's the key. So you need to do that. So you just change the thumbnail resolution. I might change the settings to make this easier on a different mode, but that's the idea. You need to record your screen share video itself in high quality, but also the camera, of course. So make sure you have that set up. And then afterwards, you can edit it and switch between how it looks for the final, process video. But the key is just setting it up correctly and recording, because in Podsplace, you get all the separate tracks later. And then in the editor, you can change it, and you can change the view in the editor. So in the timeline, you'll just switch between the different views, and I'll show you how to do that in a different video. But it's very easy. Just after you record, you'll see your track in that particular section. If you want to show full screen, you'll just click on the full button, and then that's it. And maybe actually I will open another example just to show you. Okay, and now I opened up an actual editor. This is a previously recorded screen share video that I had before. Typically, we just have it like this, where you show the full screen and a little thumbnail in the corner here. You can move that around, whatever, and change the size. But if you want to show your full screen for a particular section, you're going to have to use this. So you can move the timeline over wherever you want. You move it here. For example, if I wanted to show my face starting here, I'd click the section button. It would add another section. And if I want to continue doing that section, I'll do it to here. So now we'll go to the camera. And if you click on full now, here, it will show me in full screen. So as you can see, it's showing me in full screen. And then when I save and export the video, this particular part of the video will just show my screen as opposed to the screen share. If I thought I was really making a point, or I was just talking about something, the screen share wasn't that important. And this is great for teachers when they want to talk about something, if they just want to, do a little speech, especially before and after something happens, or a reaction video. It's a really good way to, you know, show and it makes the video look a little bit better. If you just show a screen share tutorial with only, your little thumbnail in the bottom corner, it gets a bit stale. And I'm going to add more techniques into the software, but I just wanted to show you one quick and easy way to do a full screen video webcam as well as your screen share. And then you can decide later how you want it to look, depending, whatever you were saying or talking about and the point of the video. But that's it. So you record in high quality, both your webcam and your screen, and then you can edit it later and then process the video to really make it look more professional.